Hey guys, it's Weezy, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with a new wig review. Girl, okay, if you want me to be perfectly honest, I am totally tired. I don't even feel like doing this, so I hope that is not reflected in my video. But I thought I'd just be real with you guys and let you know. But girl, anyway, we still gonna do this, okay? So the unit I have for you today is by Bobbi Boss. I haven't done a Bobbi Boss unit in a while. But anyway, the one that I have is MLF 560 Suzie. This is what Miss Suzie looks like. I have her in a 1B, so it's kind of, I thought I'd just try a, like a normal color, because y'all know I've been doing a lot of color lately. So I'm going to give y'all 1B, all right? So if you want to see Bobbi Boss's Suzie in the 1B, then sis, keep watching. Here we go. Let's talk about this. Oh my God, do y'all see this? Okay, y'all know how I told y'all I didn't even feel like doing a review. Once I plopped this bad boy on my head, my whole face just lit up. I'm like, oh my goodness. Y'all, Bobbi Boss, Bobbi Boss, Bobbi Boss. I thought Bobbi Boss was kind of like lagging behind because I haven't really seen any units that I wanted to review of theirs lately. But hunty, I saw Miss Kharizmasworld review this unit probably like a month or so ago. And hunty, I hurried up and ordered it, and y'all, I was just like, okay, this is gonna be boring. I only got a 1B. You know, I wanted the color that the model on the stock card had, but that one was sold out. So I was like, well, let me just go on and get a neutral color because I don't have very many, you know, like natural color straight wigs. And hunty, I am so glad I did. Y'all do see this, right? I'm like so excited. I'm almost jumping out my skin, if you want to know the truth. All right, so let me try to gather myself and talk about this with you guys. So again, this is Bobbi Boss MLF 560 Suzie. And Suzie is a 4.5 inch deep lace part, and she really is a deep lace part. And y'all, speaking of lace, the color of this lace, I'm looking for it, but I think I threw it out already. But hold on, let me get it out the garbage because we got to talk about this lace. Hold on. Okay, here we go. So the color of this lace was like almost perfect, y'all. Like, look at it next to my skin. Girl, get your life. It don't come no better than that. I didn't have to use my tint spray on it. You guys did see me go in and put some makeup in a parting space. I did do that, and kind of along the edges here, but I didn't have to put no like foundation, go all on the inside with powder, none of that, y'all. This lace matched my skin so well. Oh, y'all. Okay, so the lace was perfect, and it's like a soft Swiss lace, as you can tell. All right, big head friendly, yes, yes, and yes, girl. So if you got a dome on you, ain't no problem. This bad boy is going to fit you nicely. And I did try to shift her to the side to let you guys see what a side part would look like on her. And of course, it's going to kind of mess up your ear tabs a little bit, but it's still doable if you wanted to wear her on. I tried it on the right side. I didn't really try the left, but even when I turned her to the right, you know, I didn't really get like one end longer than the other end. It still looked pretty even. So you can definitely wear her on the side. Here's what this hairline is looking like, y'all. I am so happy and pleased with it. You guys saw that it did have the wispy little baby hairs, and I did just cut them down and cut them to my liking. Plus I pulled out a few little extra hairs just because I had kind of, I think, cut some of the baby hairs off when I cut the lace, because I like cutting my lace really, really close to the hairline. I don't like extra lace, but girl, okay, texture wise, she is very, very silky. Y'all, she's so pretty, she made me stand up for y'all. So she is silkier. I don't really feel a whole, she got like a tinge of yaki, but she is definitely, if you guys can see that, more silky than yaki. Now she does have a little bit of a shine, but it's more of like a natural glow, you know, like a healthy hair kind of shine. Not nothing that's, you know, crazy and look wiggy. Now I will say the next time that I put her on, I am going to do my, what you call that? My fake scalp method. And if you guys didn't see my review on the fake scalp method, I will leave it right up here in the right hand corner, and right up here, just click on the iCard, and that way you'll be able to watch it. But I'm definitely going to go in. This is the perfect wig to do the fake scalp method with. Tangling. So I am getting snags, guys. She is definitely going to tangle eventually. Ain't no doubt about that. But for now, she is absolutely beautiful. I like how she kind of curls under a little bit. Like she's got a little bit of a bump on the ends. She's not, I have all the hair here to the front. She's not real thick, and she's not real thin. She's like the perfect natural hair kind of density. I think that is probably pretty much it on this unit, you guys. I love it. I am so, now I see why Kharizmasworld was so happy with this, because it is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Bobbi Boss. I'm gonna have some pictures for you in the outro. And girl, you might want to get Suzie. If you like long, luxurious hair, you might want Suzie. I'm gonna wear her for a couple of days and see how she does. I hope you enjoyed this review. Sis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead, hit that red subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and join the Weezywigreviews family. All right, guys, I hope you have a blessed week. And remember, sis, what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Yeah, girl, I will probably give this one a good, because of the tangling, I'll probably give it an 8.5 out of 10, just because I'm getting a few little snags. But she definitely a winner chicken dinner. I recommend it.